What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So for today, another video on a modification on the FK8 Type R. Let's get it. So the modification for the Type R today is from my friends at Extreme Online Store. Yes, Extreme Online Store got a lot of things for your FK8, FL5 Civic, and especially American muscle cars. So check out their website here at Extreme Online Store. So what we got is the Fenders. What's the Fenders is probably you're asking. So we're gonna open up this box and talk about what Fenders this is referring to. All right, let's open up this box, see what we got. Now I'm opening it very careful because it's some expensive merchandise in here. So, you know, gotta be just very cautious. All right, here we go, guys. What? All right, so what do we got? Something all bubble wrapped up and some tape. 3M tape. All right, this is 3M tape, so cool. Now, what is this? That's the question. Let's open this up, see what it actually is. Okay, so let's open this up. All right, finally. Ah, see? Fragili. Woo. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Damn. So this comes in a set of two. All right, here you go. That's the other one. These are true carbon fiber material. Now, what is it for? Is probably the question. And that is what we're gonna figure out right now. I'll show you where these go. All right, so for this one, there's two. Look at that carbon fiber. Damn, look at that, yo, look at that. All right, so where this goes is right over here. It meets with the side there and goes right on the door. Okay, so like I said, it goes here. Yep, hold up, my bad, wrong way. So as you can see, it mates up with this here. It makes it a continuous flow, because if you look at here, it kind of like it breaks off right here. That's like a little roller coaster, just goes bam. Now for a roller coaster, that's cool, it goes straight down like that, but on a car you want that nice shape, you know what I'm saying, that nice shape. So by putting it right there, it just adds that that wow factor, you know what I mean. You see that indentation here, it just follows it. So most likely what I need to do is remove the Type R sticker, unfortunately, but that's okay. So, and what's cool, it kind of blends in with the semi carbon fiber. I know it's fake here, this is real, but yeah, I mean, it'll give it a nice look, which, as you know, I'm going for that black, white, red type of look on my Type R, so this will blend perfectly. All right, so the things we need to do first of all is remove decals, stickers and stuff like that, right? So I have this decal, as you see, this black decal right here. I need to remove that, and then also remove the Type R sticker right here. So yeah, let's remove that first, and then give it a clean up with some IPA, which I do have right here. Okay, I like to use a high percentage. Here is 91%. So, you know, less water, so it'll clean it much more, remove any type of you know, materials that's on the car. So a high percentage IPA is what I like to use. I hate when that happens. Now, of course, another easy way to remove decals that's on your vehicle is actually to warm it up. So if I had a heat gun, I can warm up the decal and stuff, and then it'll soften it where it's easier to peel out. So that's another option. I do have one, but it's somewhere in the box in this garage. It's late night, it's dark. I just don't feel like looking for it. But I just wanted to get this installed because I'm actually going to be taking my car tomorrow to Cars and Coffee. So I wanted to put these Fender carbon fiber fenders on. So, you know, give it that little cool look. So let's just keep going. Yeah. Now I need to remove this one. All right, so all the decals have been removed. There's some stickiness here. So this is when you want to use your IPA. I like to just put a little bit on the rag and just put it here at this corner. Okay. Then just start wiping. And just like magic, look at that. It's practically gone. Dude, this is like selling some type of cleaner online. That'd be quite interesting. Selling my own brand of cleaners for cars using 91% IPA with a little bit of sup love. Right, maybe, nah. So we need to make sure we clean this area as well, since it cleaned up very well over here. So let's add our IPA. Okay, and do some wiping. All right, and there we go, nice and clean. Now, the good thing about Extreme Online Store is they provided the goodies, such as this pure alcohol towel. So we'll actually open it and take a look at, but yes, I am using my own IPA and towel and stuff, but they do provide that, so which is really good. And then the 3M tape, and I'm glad it is 3M because, you know, name brand stuff made in the USA is kind of what we like. Yeah, so here's the 3, there's the M. So we are assuming it is a 3M tape. So to mount this properly onto my vehicle, on my door, I do have this door guard. I don't know if you could see it. It's like a little transparent type of tape. It ends right here. So I do not want, you know, to make it touch it. So I may have to kind of go a little inwards, like at this edge here. So yeah, but so you gotta do a little alignment and stuff. But of course, first we do want to add our 3M tape to the back of this. So let's do that. So basically, I want to just keep lining it up on the inner part here. Basically, the more adhesive is on here, the better it'll stay. Oh, it snaps on the door here. So just keep putting more adhesives on here, so to make it nice and secure. Now I know I have the smaller ones and stuff, but since there's so much space here, instead of just using the thin ones, I'll just go ahead and use the larger ones that I purchased a few weeks back, and to kind of fit all that gap right here. It'll be easier and quicker. So kind of make this a little faster process because it's taking a while. All right, so this is how it looks with all the 3M tape that I put in the back here. All right, so we're gonna peel off all the backing of this and then install it on the car. So, and bam, there it goes, no backing. So let's go ahead and put this on the door and make sure it is aligned properly. Okay, here we go, guys. Here we go. So it goes this direction. And remember this little transparent door guard? I don't want to stick it on that, so I have to go a little forward. All right, so I found one interesting thing that I'll make sure is the alignment on the inside. So there's like this little lip thing. It actually goes flush with the door, which makes it very convenient. So that's how you could align it properly. So just make sure you hold on for at least 20 seconds per section. Make sure the adhesive sticks on it very well, and you should be all set. All right, there you go, guys. Check that out. It's a nice little blend. This line still goes with this line. That line goes with that line, and whoo-wee, just looks beautiful. Look at that. Carbon fiber. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. So overall, what I want to do, since I have this now, I want to add this one here. So if you could look here, it is a kind of like a matte black finish. All right, so I do want it to match a carbon fiber pattern, pretty much like the same one that I just installed. So I'm still debating how to do it. Either replace it, they do sell aftermarket parts of this in carbon fiber, or I can just have it wrapped with the same type of look, since this is just really just for aesthetics purposes. So I'm still debating, but yes, I do want it in a carbon fiber design as well. So as you can see, this is on one side of the door. All right. And it's the same process on the other side. So I'll get that going, but I will also show the full reveal after I install both sides in sunlight, because it is dark right now. So probably tomorrow morning, I'll show the final results, but let me get the other side installed and we'll be good to go. But before I install the second piece on the other side, make sure you check out Extreme Online Store for all the goodies. Like I said earlier in the beginning of the video, a lot of goodies. So check out their website, American Muscle stuff, JDM stuff, FL5, FK8 on the Civic, Toyota, whatever. There's a lot of things, so check out their website right here, and also include a link on the description to see all the cool merchandise they have for your ride. All right, so I got the second set right here. Back has all the 3M tape there, so I'm about to install it in here somewhere. There you go. I did get it cleaned off. I used that IPA alcohol wipe. I just need to install it now. So I got both sides on now. It's all complete, but I will show you the complete sets when it is daytime, because it is nighttime right now. But I would like to thank everybody watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. But for now, keep smiling, be safe, and always stay driven. Check out this video. And thank you, Extreme Online Store. Peace.
wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm